Good morning, kids. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Okay. I wish a wonderful day for you all. Okay, kids. We have to move to our session. First of all, I am introduce myself. My name is Yoshima, your new maths teacher. Okay. In our previous class, we have discussed about fractions. Here, we are taking a new part, same chapter. Okay, friends. This is our question. 2 liters of milk used to fill 3 bottles of the same size. A quarter of one such bottle is poured into a glass. How much milk is in the glass? This is our question. 2 liters of milk used to fill 3 bottles of the same size. A quarter of one such bottle is poured into a glass. How much milk is in the glass? There are 2 liters of milk, 3 bottles. We want to find out quarter of one such bottle contain what quantity of milk. Okay. So, here total liters is 2 and number of bottle is 3. So, one bottle contain 2/3 liters of milk. Is it okay? Total there are 2 liters. Number of bottle is 3. So, one bottle contain 2/3 liter of milk. In our question, we want to find out quarter of one such bottle. Quarter of one such bottle. So, quarter. Do you all know that quarter is 1/4? Quarter of one such bottle. This is the solution we want to find out. If we multiply two fraction, we want to multiply the numerator part and we want to multiply the denominator part. So, 1 into 2 divided by 4 into 3. 1 2s are 2. 4 3s are 12. 2/12 liter. It can be further classified as 1/6 because 2 is divisible by 12 or 12 is a factor of 2. Okay, this is the answer. 1/6 liter of milk should contain in the glass. Okay, children. Moving to the second question. Half kilogram of rice is equally filled in 4 bags. If we take 3 such bags together, how much rice do we get? Our next question is half kilogram of rice is equally filled in 4 bags. If we take 3 such bags together, how much rice do we get? Here, total kilogram of rice is half kilogram and there are 4 bags. 4 bags. In these 4 bags, this half kilogram is equally filled. Okay, so we can write it as the total kilogram of rice is half. How many bags are there? 4 bags. So it can be 4 bags. From here we want to find out the quantity in 1 bag. it will become 1 by 4. Here 4 is the total number of bags and 1 is the number of bag that want to be. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 into 1, 1 divided by 4 2s are 8. Okay. Here if we take 3 such bags together, how much rice do we get? If we take 3 bags, 1 bag contains 1 by 8 part. So 3 bag contain 3 into the quantity of rice in 1 bag, that is 1 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. This is the quantity of rice that contain in 3 bags. Okay. Question number 3. We want to find out 2 by 3 of 1 by 8. From our previous question, we can get it like this. 2 by 3 of 1 by 8. If we multiply numerator, we get 1 2s are 2. If we multiply the denominator, we get 8 3s are 24. It can also be written as 1 by 12. Okay. If you have any doubts today's session, we can discuss it in our interaction section. Okay children.